first off, we've got to remove the existing backup alarm here. Oh, interesting. Huh. The situation we're facing here in this Bobcat is these bolts, these carriage bolts, on all the newer Bobcats, they're up here. For some reason on this particular model, they're lower. Could be an older year. And so when you're trying, this bracket is designed to be bolted this way, so this thing pops through the hole and then you see down below. But the problem is that it's here, so you can't really reverse it. And when you open up the back, this heat shield, it has to be mounted this way as if the bolts were in the top, not the bottom, because when you close it, this heat shield will hit here. So there's a couple of solutions that we have here. First is we drill 2 new holes, and so that we move these carriage bolts to right here, and then everything works. All you gotta do is line up the hole with the camera, it pops through here and you're good. Or the skid steer kit, it comes with a universal bracket. And the cool thing about this is you can mount it at the same angle, that 30-degree angle. You can bolt it in to any skid steer, obviously in the back. You can also attach one of our magnets. This, you just feed this through the hole. Okay, and then you make sure that the RazerCam is up. Said you got a very simple bracket that just threads on. Like I said, make sure that arrow is up. Tighten that for now. And then you've got this bracket, which is really simple. And then it's a 60-pound magnet, so that works right there. And obviously it can be used right there in the back of the Bobcat. So. When in doubt, read the instructions. Does it really just attach to that? That'd be awesome. All right, so you've got the cage up here, and then this slips on the back side of this, and then you just tighten this up, and then your bracket for your monitor is installed. Just like this. And that's not coming down at all, and that's ready to go through that hole right there in the side to keep the wires clean, and then you're just gonna line up the holes on each side to get your monitor set up. Kind of loosely zip tied it. I'm following the wires electrical. Went underneath here, and then I left this out so you guys can see it. So this cable kind of pops in there, engine compartment. I'm going to tuck it underneath here, and then back in there. And this is where the rest of the wires go. The wiring harness comes right up in there. What I've done is I've fed the wire down through there to kind of match this, and then I'm going to tuck everything else up in here. The next step to this operation is trying to find a power source up in here that I can actually use as clean as possible for this setup right here. This is electrical. It'll be tucked up in here once I'm done.